If you're choosing a budget bridge camera, the Kodak PixPro AZ425 and AZ405 are very similar on paper, but one is a small upgrade over the other. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. The AZ425 is essentially the newer and slightly improved version. You get a bit more zoom at 42x, a rechargeable battery instead of AA batteries, and a slightly more refined shooting experience overall. It still uses a 20MP sensor and supports full HD video. But the biggest advantage is convenience, especially with the built-in battery and updated handling. The AZ405, on the other hand, is more of a pure budget pick. It still gives you a strong 40x zoom and similar image quality, which is great for beginners or casual photography. But it relies on AA batteries and feels a bit more basic overall. The performance is nearly identical in good lighting, but it lacks the small quality-of-life improvements of the newer model. So the real difference is small. Both cameras take similar photos, but the AZ425 is more convenient and slightly more capable. Choose the AZ425 if you want a better overall experience, rechargeable battery, and slightly stronger zoom. Choose the AZ405 if you want the cheapest option and don't mind using AA batteries. Bottom line, the AZ425 is the better camera overall, but it's a minor upgrade, not a huge leap in image quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.